So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install and run Codex, which is made by OpenAI, in your VS Code. So let's move in our VS Code first. And now what you have to do is you have to just go in your extensions tab here and search for Codex. Just go on this extension from OpenAI and then just click on install. This might take a couple of seconds. So now you can see that our installation is done. Now what you have to do is, now you can see a logo here that is Open Codex sidebar. Just click on that. Now you have to sign in with your ChatGPT account. Now you can just sign in with your Google account from which your ChatGPT account was linked actually. After continuing with your Google account, you will see some page like this. Now you are signed in into Codex. You may now close this page. And here you can see that we have got something. Now we have to click on next, then next again, then next again. Again one more time. Now you will see setup agent sandbox to continue. Just click on setup. Use backup sandbox. So yeah, sandbox is ready. Now we can just type any message like, okay, our VS Code is reloaded now. And you can just select models from here. I will be going with 5.3 Codex model. Continue with current model. Just say hi. Add a project to your code space. Okay, now we have to firstly open a repository here or some folder. I will be opening a folder here. Just a second. So yeah, I have now just opened the folder here. Now I will just type here or hi here, and let's wait for ChatGPT's response. You have different modes here also. You can see that this is the response from ChatGPT. So now we can just ask him about this file only. What this app.py file is for. Now this will start working and tell you the exact uh, use of this particular file as per your prompt. Now you can see that this has started reading app.py file, and now you can see the results here. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.